Hello and a very warm welcome to all of you. Guys, today we are going to talk about structure of Nifty. Uh, since probably 8 to 9 months now, we have been talking about a bearish trend in Nifty, and we have seen some euphoric kind of targets as much as 15,182. These were the lower levels which was recorded on Nifty. And from those levels, we are seeing a very euphoric kind of a rally in Nifty, which has almost reached to 18,000 level last week. And from there, we just shared that a bearish action is pending, and we gave some targets to you. And all those targets got completed on Monday. And as a result of which, we are again experiencing some kind of a rally here. Now, here at this crucial junction, we are going to understand, we are here to discuss about, are we going to hit 18,000 this time around? It looks very close. So we are here to identify, are we ready for 18,000 as a target? And if that 18,000 is going to get completed, which are the stocks which should help Nifty reach to that target, and what will happen to Bank Nifty and its component? So in this video, we are going to talk about all these probabilities, and also we'll talk about a trade which we can initiate in the current scenarios. Okay, so let's start. Today's video will start with today morning's message. See guys, I keep on sharing my today morning's message, every day's most messages, for a very simple reason that gives you an understanding about what the students of Growth Model Prime are doing. So this is my today morning's message. Yeah, the message goes like, yep. So this is what the message is. Nifty range may be 17,500 to 17,900, and Bank Nifty range may be 38,000 to 39,500. As expected, euphoric short covering rally. First target for Nifty can be 17,850, and first target for Bank Nifty spot can be 39,100. SBI for the target of 550, Axis Bank for the target of 800, Reliance for a target of 2,700, and Bank of Baroda for a target of 130. This was my morning message. Now there is a footnote as well which is saying the message was, do not stay short. On Monday evening towards the Monday closing, we categorically said that do not remain short on this market. And what a short covering rally that we saw on Tuesday. While the Dow future was bearish, and still we got our short covering rally. Now, for Nifty, 17,850 can be first target, and for Bank Nifty, 39,100 can be first target. So be agile in your trades as per your trading time frame was my message. Now, why? What is that triggering here to suggest you that we might reach to 18,000 level? Guys, you need to understand one important thing. That is, if you look at the structure of Nifty here, see, these were the targets that I had shared in Market Kalakta video. The first target was 17,634. Second target was 17,536. And the third target was 17,429. See, all these targets, all these three targets got complete. These two targets got completed on Monday. This target was completed in a gap down opening on Tuesday, and then there was a recovery in the first hour itself. There was a huge recovery, which actually completed this target. And because we had covered our positions here, we could create longs, some longs here, another set of longs here, and we are in a good deep in the money profit. This kind of a this correction getting completed in a couple of days hints at Nifty is ready for a close above 18,000. So 18,000 level, and what can be probable target? So let us go to daily chart to calculate the probable target. And if Nifty is going to complete these targets, so what kind of targets the other component stocks of Nifty are going to give us, or they are going to deliver? Let's try and identify that part as well. So if I use my Fibonacci tool, right, so the target that I'm looking at, the first target that I'm looking at will be 18,042. Above 18,000, we are talking about above 18,000 target. So if we are headed towards 18,000 or above 18,000, then the target that I'm looking at 18,048. And mind you, price is not going to stay here. It will just go touch and go kind of a thing probably. It is 18,042. Yeah, that's correct. 18,042. This is one probability of a target. Another probability or another possibility is that, yeah, 18,198 is another probability. Both these targets can get completed. It's 198, 18,198. Cool. So this is what we are looking at. This is the level we are looking at. And I'm expecting Nifty to give us again a kind of a potential reversal zone. So this can be a potential reversal zone for us. Like always, it can be, let's say, 50 points plus minus. Okay. So a zone which is like from 18,000 to 250. This can be a potential reversal zone. I'll just log this so that it will stay like that. Cool. So this is what my analysis for Nifty right now is. Let's say now Nifty has to reach to these levels. Which stock will help us reach over there? So let us go to check components of Nifty. If Nifty has to reach to 18,000, then Reliance can give us a target of, let's say, around 2,700, which is not so far, but this is what it looks like, a possible bullish target. Okay, so this is one target. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank can give us target of, okay, so HDFC Bank can give us target of, if I may plot, yes, the target can be 1500, which is here. So 1500 is what I'm expecting on HDFC Bank. ICICI Bank, I'm not very euphoric at this moment in time. Though it is very well possible that ICICI might be headed towards 900, but I'm not pretty sure about the target as yet. TCS, if we check, TCS might complete this target of 3300 in the first phase. Not sure about the next target, but 3300 is something that I can think of right now. So 3300 can be one target. $3,300 for TCS. Okay, so these are the three stocks that I'm talking about when we are talking about Nifty and the target of 18,100 for Nifty. Now let's quickly come back to Bank Nifty. Here, in case of Bank Nifty, the move is very euphoric. Mind you, PSU banks are doing amazingly well. So now when Bank Nifty is at these levels, let's calculate how the target is going to look like. So as we have done already, we have calculated the targets using this simple tool here. So if I just drag this tool at the lower level here, yep, and yes. So the first target comes to somewhere around 39,680. Okay, 39,680. Okay, this is for Bank Nifty. First possible target one. Bank Nifty spot I'm talking about. And the second target I'm talking about, is somewhere here, 40,251. So this is our target 2, which is 40,251. Okay, so we are good till here. So these are the 2 targets that we are talking about. Incidentally, these targets are completed. I'll remove these targets during the Market Kya Lagta Hai episode on Friday. But for now, these updates are important. It might so happen that we'll reach to this first target probably by Friday before the Market Kya Lagta Hai episode. So I want you all to be prepared for it. Now, if we check here, now I have State Bank of India, which might support our bullish view for Bank Nifty. We have already shared HDFC Bank for a target of 1500. ICICI, as I mentioned, I'm not very sure about the target of ICICI Bank because there is nothing clear as of now. SBI, we are trading for a target of somewhere around 550. How do we arrive that target? So 2 targets right now in front of me. The first target is 533. Another target is 539. I'll go with this target. 549. Okay. Right. So first target is 533. Second target is 549. In case of Bajaj Finserv, the target goes to somewhere around 16,900 level. Okay. I'll just show you how I have arrived at this number. Okay, so somewhere around 16,750 or a target of 17,045. Oh, 17,045. Okay, similarly for Bank of Baroda, we have a target which is around, I should say, target for Bank of Baroda. The first target for Bank of Baroda comes to 126. Yep. And second target comes to around 129.25. So this is my second target. BOB 129.25. Guys, I have shared with you more than 6 to 7 stocks with some targets, and these are the stocks you can play in cash, equity, or you can trade in F&O if you know the rules. These are not the recommendations by any which way. These are my stock picks, which I'm sharing on the basis of my knowledge. But this is being shared with you so that you learn through it. Guys, do not consider these videos or the recommendations made by me as a advisory service. Sometimes while reading your comments, I get a feeling that someone's asking for an advice. So just this is a small attempt to make you understand the concepts. The educational part is far more important. You should know how we calculate targets, and that's why I'm showing you way in a detailed manner how do I calculate these targets, and that should be helpful to you in understanding how do we do technical analysis on a day-to-day basis, right? Guys, if you have liked this video, do write to me in comments, share with your friends, and also hit the like button. Thank you so much.